Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make Coca-Cola Cake, a work of art ready to be devoured. Start with your chocolate cake and layer it up with chocolate buttercream. Use a piping bag for ease. Then pipe all around the outside using your turntable. Smoothing it out. Refrigerate for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, roll out some red fondant. We're rolling a handle. Next, we want to roll out a long, thick sausage which we'll flatten with a rolling pin. Cutting out a long rectangle which will fit around the outside of the cake. There. Wrap that around your cake. Sticking it on carefully, pressing it down, trimming the edge. And then use cocktail sticks to place your handle. Then just perfect the shape using your fingers. Stick on your logo. Then top it up with chocolate ganache. And a few chocolate balls for a finishing touch. And there you have it. Coca-Cola Cake. Very easy to make, very effective, and super delicious. Simply slice and enjoy. So chocolatey, Coca-Cola Cake. Join us next time for more recipes with Nyam Nyam.